There they go. Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, welcome back to my channel. So this is the reality of camping with kids, right? You kind of have stuff.
Come here.
That's Ben. Say hello.
Hello.
And we want to say hello to the Lackey family. It's Clements. Can you say hello to Karis and Judson and everybody?
Hi, Karis and Judson.
Yes, and the babies. Remember their names? Millie and Clara.
Hi, baby.
They're our friends from Illinois. Deanna, Jamie, Judson, Karis, Millie, and Clara. We just saw those guys, didn't we? Our friends from Illinois. Judson and everybody. Hi, you guys. So obviously, you have to bring more things when you have more than yourself, but as long as you keep everything in order, everything's good. So I've rolled up Clemence's bed. It's back up in the front here, and kitchen's back where it goes, and everything is orderly. Still organized, but more stuff in it than I'm normally used to, but of course, I love my granddaughter, and I will just relax about it. Clem's corner. Yep. And we just have to continue to put things away. And that's that. So all is well so far. Anyhow, we had a great first night. I thought it was going to be super hot, but it wasn't. And I am just so thrilled. I brought a fan that I could plug into the land power, but I didn't even need it. So excited about that. It was 95 here yesterday, I believe, or in the 90s. But underneath these trees here, and the wind off of Lake Michigan, it's like 75 degrees. So yeah, it was a great, great night. Here they come. So these are the three amigos. Larry, Mo, and Curly. Hello, you guys having a good time? Yeah. Yes. So we're gonna gear up and get out of here. Just wanted to check in with you guys this morning and let you know our first night was grand. All right, you guys have a good one. Catch you later.